So congratulations, you have reached the end of this video course, which is video number 9. And in video number 9, it's going to be a fairly brief video, but I want to show you how to collaborate via Prezi and how to reach out to your team, how to get your team to even work on the Prezi, and how to use Prezi for other things besides of that. And let's go ahead and dive in. So there are different ways to have your team collaborate on a Prezi. You can have them edit the Prezi and build it out together, or you can just have them come in and view the Prezi. So this feature is actually very simple to use. All you have to do is up at the top right hand corner, you're going to see this little people icon. You want to click that, and then you can see that there are currently no collaborators in this Prezi. So what you want to do is click on Total Collaborators. You'll want to enter their email address. And then before you click on Add, there are different options here. You can edit. So in other words, you can give somebody edit rights. You may not want to do that unless that person is somebody you trust. You can have somebody comment, so they can make comments on the Prezi itself. So maybe this is a presentation to a client. You might want to just give them, presentation rights. So essentially, these are rights that you can give. So if you want somebody like your, virtual assistant or your somebody employee or somebody on your team, you might want to give them edit rights. And then the can comment and then can present is somebody who might be a client, might be somebody presenting it. Maybe you don't really want them to have those edit rights, because keep in mind, if you do give somebody edit rights, they have the ability to literally ruin your whole Prezi. So just give somebody that you trust those rights. And that's how easy it is to use. And of course, besides collaboration, you have the ability to share, and you can create a link. You can enter the company or the client's name in here, and you click create link. And you can also track Prezi analytics and more. But for the most part, for collaborators, you're going to use the Show Collaborators button, and that's it. You're good to go.